Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to style a wrap dress to make you look taller. This wrap dress is half blue and half light peachy with small floral prints. This dress is super versatile and I'm super excited to show you some of my favorite ways to style this dress. Let's dive right in. For a casual day, I like to keep it simple yet stylish. I am pairing my wrap dress with white Nike shoes. These white sneakers are super comfortable and it's super easy while running errands or meeting friends. Wearing white sneakers not only keeps your look casual but also adds a bit of height due to their thicker soles. The high ponytail helps elongate my neck, making me look taller and more elegant. When it comes to an evening look, I love to add a touch of elegance. I'm pairing the dress with my brown heels and brown bag with black chain dating. This outfit is perfect for a dinner date or a night out. Heels are a petite girl's best friend. They instantly add height and make your legs look longer. Soft curls add volume to your hair, balancing the overall look and drawing attention upwards. For a casual chic look, I am styling this dress with my flat black sandals and golden bag. This outfit is perfect for day out shopping or meeting with friends. Flats can still be flattering for petites if you choose ones with a pointed toe design, which helps elongate your legs. A sleek low bun adds a touch of sophistication and keeps the focus on your outfit. For a weekend brunch, I like to go for a relaxed yet stylish look. I'm pairing this dress with yellow sliders and my golden bag. This look is easygoing and perfect for a laid-back weekend outing. Bright sliders add a fun pop of color to your outfit. A messy bun gives you a relaxed, effortless vibe while adding some extra height. Finally, for a date night, I am pairing this dress with my brown heels and the same brown bag, but this time with brown belt and wearing it as a crossbody. This look is romantic and chic, perfect for your special evening. Using a bag with a white belt as a crossbody helps to create a vertical line which can make you look taller. Side-swept curl add a romantic touch and draw attention to your face, making you look taller and more poised. So there you have it, 5 different ways to style wrap dress for petites like me. Whether you are going for a casual day out or chic evening look, these outfits will make you feel taller and more confident. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.